smoking, got my brain cells roasted. It's money that I'm grossing and hoes I'm approaching. My flow's butter now, I'm thinking what a toast is. The pound to break his bones down. Osteoporosis. Stepped up the drive after chilling in the backseat. I've been doing this since No Diggity in Blackstreet. A track meet, he'll run if I clap heat. That's the definition of a rapper turned athlete. I emerged from the smokes in the back streets with lace kicks and the attitude of fuck it. If niggas wanna act out, it's nothing. I'm a superstar in this shit and you ain't winning that bucket, chew. Buying drinks, man, we bringing in buckets. I ain't Jay, but for real, you can see that I'm frontin'. Wait, I'm so fly, smoke wide, I see Neptune, and I realize that I might see my depth soon. And I'm the best, whom better than I. My introduction is similar to Ready to Die because I'm big in the streets when I rip these beats. White tee, hat backwards like Memphis Bleak. Wait, I'm the best in the
Don DeMarco, set that shit up. Set that shit up with my life. Set that shit up. I'll kill it, nigga. Set that shit up. I got whatever what y'all betting. I'll match whatever, nigga. Myself. Lupo, you ain't got to do nothing, bro. We know you got the money. We know you got the money. We know you got the money.
I'm chilling.
It's my life, bro.